Run. The ostrich is running very fast. Jump. He jumps high. Eat. She is eating lunch. Drink. He is drinking water. Walk. She is walking. Write. He is writing a letter. Read. He is reading a story. Sleep. He sleeps at night. Talk. They talk loudly. Sing. He sings beautifully. Dance. He is dancing at the party. Swim. She is swimming in the pool. Drive. He is driving a car. Cook. He is cooking dinner. Clean. They are cleaning the floor. Laugh. She is laughing loudly. Cry. She cries often. Sit. She is sitting on a chair. Stand. He is standing. Play. They are playing together. Watch. They are watching TV. Listen. She is listening carefully. Smile. She is smiling happily. Throw. He throws the ball. Catch. He catches the ball. Open. She is opening the door. Close. He is closing the door. Climb. He is climbing a tree. Draw. She is drawing a picture. Paint. She is painting the wall. Build. They are building a house. Fix. He is fixing the car. Wash. He is washing his hand. Brush. He brushes his teeth every morning. Comb. She combs her hair every day. Shave. He is shaving his beard. Fold. She is folding her clothes. Carry. She is carrying some bags. Lift. She is lifting a box. Push. She is pushing the cart. Pull. He is pulling a rope. Kick. He kicks the ball. Punch. He punches the bag. Hug. They are hugging each other. Kiss. She kisses his cheek. Wave. He is waving goodbye. Yawn. He is yawning loudly. Stretch. She stretches her arms. Shake. They shake hands. Jump rope. She jumps rope. Ski. He skis down the hill. Surf. He is surfing the waves. Row. She rows the boat. Sail. He sails the boat. Ride. They are riding a bike. Bounce. He bounces the ball. Catch. He catches the fish. Fish. He is fishing in the lake. Dig. She digs a hole. Plant. They plant a tree. Water. He is watering the plants. Harvest. He harvests the crops. Milk. She milks the cow every morning. Feed. He feeds the cat every day. Groom. She is grooming the dog. Ride. She rides the horse. Gallop. The horse gallops quickly. March. They are marching in the band. Salute. He salutes the officer. Chop. I chop the wood. Stir. He stirs the soup. Mix. I am mixing the milk and the flour. Measure. I measure the milk. Bake. He is baking a cake. Fry. I fry eggs. Grill. We grill the meat. Boil. I boil the water. Simmer. She simmers the sauce. Taste. She tastes the soup. Chew. He chews the gum. Swallow. He swallows the pill. Spit. He spits out the seeds. Bite. I bite an apple. Lick. She is licking the ice cream. Suck. She sucks on the candy. Blow. He is blowing a balloon. Pop. I pop the bubble. Snap. She snaps her fingers. Clap. I am clapping my hands. Snap. She snaps a photo. Record. She is recording a video. Type. She types an email. Print. She prints a document. Scan. She scans a file. Send. She sends a letter. Receive. He receives money. Deliver. He is delivering the box. Wrap. She is wrapping a gift. Unwrap. She is unwrapping the present. Celebrate. They are celebrating the birthday. Thanks for watching.